Audio Jungle.
The Research and Educational Center Mansion Rakičan is located in the Pomurje region, the northeastern part of Slovenia, on the edge of a beautiful preserved English park. The Rakičan Mansion was first mentioned in 1431 when it served as an important defensive outpost against the Turkish threat. The medieval core of the castle has been almost completely erased by the later reconstructions. The castle was thoroughly rebuilt in the Baroque style, and in the early 18th century the fortress was transformed into the present countryside mansion. Today the mansion houses the Research and Educational Center Mansion Rakičan, which organizes a variety of non-formal, social, cultural and tourism programs. The center also offers accommodation, boosting newly furnished castle rooms. Furthermore, it manages an equestrian center with 20 horses as well as a restaurant. The organization RIS Rakičan is a public regional organization founded by the municipality of Murska Sobota and the Association for Technical Culture of Slovenia. Our main activities are linked to the cultural field, sustainable tourism, non-formal education. Moreover, we are organizing summer art and language camps for children. This activity has become one of our stable products, giving priority to the Roma minority and other vulnerable social groups. We are always including the cultural aspect in all our activities, and when it comes to that, we are always full of interesting and innovative ideas. For example, within one of our projects, we are established an open-air museum. Our plan is to exhibit different art from local artists across all of our mansion's premises. Tourism represents a big part of our institution, and we see it as an opportunity to give new and modern life to cultural and natural heritage. Therefore, we are building on local resources to establish a tourism destination that appeals to domestic and foreign tourists alike. All of these innovative projects don't include just the cultural aspect, but also focus on attracting international audiences, which we try to achieve by including ICT technology and multiple language coverage in all of our projects. Our horse carriage museum is also a wonderful example of such synergy, as it combines cultural elements such as the tradition of horsemanship with sustainable tourism in the form of touristic rides in modern horse-driven carriages. This is also one of the reasons why we are participating in the MUSNet project, as the main goal is to bring larger audiences to visit various locations. Thus, we firstly wish to investigate the needs of the visitors, acquire new skills for the staff and enhance visitors' experience through digitalization and innovative use of technology, through which visitors will be able to interact with the exhibitions. Our institution works as the leader of the pilot implementation of the project, and this involves choosing, purchase, implementation and testing of the ICT technology equipment, and we are also a part of all the preparation and communication activities.